Hi, welcome back with me 5 Top K. This time, I'll give you video about top 5 best beverage refrigerators on Amazon. Well, before go to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for supports this channel. Okay, let's go to the video. Number 1. OMMO Mini Fridge. Number 2. NewAir Beer Froster Mini Beer Fridge. Number 3. NewAir Countertop Clear Ice Maker Machine. Number 4. Midea WHS121 LSS1 Refrigerator. Number 5. Whynter BR130SB Beverage Refrigerator with internal fan. Well, thanks for watching my video about top 5 best beverage refrigerators on Amazon. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for supports our channel. Also, you can turn on the bell for more updated videos. Well, see you in the next videos.